up guys, in today's video we are going to unbox a smartwatch. I have ordered it in a Flipkart. Here comes the package. It is damaged at the bottom but no problem. It is sealed as you can see. So let us unbox it by taking this knife. Okay, let me unbox it. So I unbox everything with this knife only, so that's why it's not too much sharp. So let us open what is inside. Here is the black box, which is pretty good, looking awesome, and there is no any branding or any other thing as you can see. So according to the price range, the quality of the box is fine. Let me open the box, and here comes the battery. Wow, what a small. Here is the warning about the battery. Let me show you backside. Here is the 380 milliampere. So let us take a look at the box, what are inside it. So let us keep a watch aside for some time and take a look in box what are there. Here is the USB cable. It is fine according to the price, and here is the some slip. I think it is about feedback. I don't know what is written there. Okay, no problem. Let us take a look at the watch. Here is the watch guys. It is sealed in a plastic cover as you can see, and I think temporary sticker or glass is applied on it. Yes, temporary glass is applied on it as you can see. You can peel off it, and there is also IMEI, and here is the back cap of the watch which you can remove and insert SIM card. Let me open it. Okay, you can insert a 3G SIM card and 32 gigabytes of memory card. There is also a camera for this watch guys, and you need to charge 30 minutes to use this watch. Here is the back cap of this watch. The quality is good according to the price range, and let us keep it aside. So let me show you what are the components which I have got. Here is the box, watch, battery, USB cable, and box a slip. Here is the watch. In the next video I will tell you how is the quality you should buy or not. So that's it for today's video guys. Bye.